Good morning, guys. It's a windy Sunday morning in Galway, and we are going for some Sunday brunch, lunch, dinner.
Well, we doesn't know it yet, but he's going to look forward to it.
He's gonna love it. He's just having an all schlump.
You're hungry? Well, that's good.
For Halloween. He does that.
Thank you.
So what do you have to drink?
Yes.
Water and ice. Is it nice? Yeah? Is it better than juice?
Yes.
Yes, water is much nicer than juice.
So here's what we've ordered. I got bangers and mash, which is potatoes and sausages. The kids have some fish and potatoes and veg. Nede has soup, salad, and a tuna sandwich, and they are hungry. You hungry?
Gosh, look at your plate. It's coming.
I want peas.
You want peas? Well, we have carrots
Apparently we
instead.
don't feed them at all, because they are starving.
It's broccoli.
And broccoli. Don't you love broccoli? Yeah, you do.
Peas the best.
I know you love peas the best.
No. I want my dinner now.
I know it's coming.
I want my dinner now.
You're getting your dinner now. Jeannie, mackerel. Now, who wants a bit of ketchup? Potato. Yummy. Oh, choky, choky, Charlie. Oh, choky, choky, Charlie.
You messer. Did you try your sausage yet?
Yeah, I'll take that. Yes, thank you. Rough.
I'm the fool. But that's from now. He be a bit naughty.
That's a small one. Give Robin some. Oh! Some for Obi. Get some for Obi. Will you give Obi that one in his mouth? Aww.
Morning.
Today we're doing
Try my best.
salad. There. So, better. I hope I did 3 days. But hello. Almost ready. Look at the time on it.
We are now heading to my nanny's house, but we're not gonna like stay. We're only gonna run in and throw her in an old bag of sweets. Are we giving that old nanny a bag of sweets? Because we love her, don't we?
Yeah.
without on here. With 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth.
It's Granger drawing, Pocahontas.
And there's her hands.
I'm never seen Pocahontas. I love this.
Pocahontas.
Well, you do bad, man.
Yeah, and did you eat the tissue?
Not too bad.
Pocahontas.
I couldn't. I was laughing when I came in.
And the hair.
Oh my gosh, Jack.
Oh, that's lovely
My
here.
life is mad. Are you going to room there, Toya, that in Michigan? Baby doody doody doo. Hey, come over, give me a squeeze, Mrs. Sheep Sheep. Come over here, Mrs. Sheep Sheep.
Stop.
Uh-oh. What did you find out? Your daddy gave you all the machine. I'm sure he did. And did he go out to Connemara? Did he see the real sheep? And what
Careful.
were they doing?
Car.
They were pooping on the side of the road.
Oh.
Needed poopies.
Alright guys, we're going to say goodnight. I am just finishing editing the vlog. Nate edited the first half, I took over the second half because Lean Crochet is getting her crochet on. You comfy?
I am, but this, oh my god, this rope's so weird, this pattern. I'm trying to see, like, how, do they say that it's easy or what? Because, I don't know. There's one row, maybe I'm too tired reading it, but I'm reading it and it's like, it may as well be in Cantonese.
This is the point where you change the pattern and make it better.
But it doesn't actually say, usually they say what, you know, what simplicity is, but no.
I think you're a bit tired. You'll figure it out in the morning.
I think so, because I'm on round 5 and I'm just like, what in the name of Holy Jesus, Mary and Joseph is this person saying?
She's been in for the night. Come here. Maddie, are you getting jealous?